Hey guys, Sam from TeamSamuraiX1 here. So today we're gonna have 6 Galactic Overlord pack openings. So let's get to it. My friend is gonna open it first. There's 3 packs.
There we go.
Move fast, man.
Wow, I'm probably bad at this.
Just ripped it.
I bet the best last card. Shit.
Nothing?
Nothing.
Alright, so that's a rare.
Rare.
Hard card D, let's go.
Card D.
What'd you get? Light ray. Oh, Gibbeeb. Alright. It's okay, who cares? It's for fun.
$10, man.
$10 for 3 packs. Watch, give you a good one. Oh, Tefnut. Alright. It's pretty good. Alright, little bit more. Okay. Hold it, put it in. Alright, so let's go, guys. TeamSamuraiX1. Alright, let's see what we pull. Upside down card. Ooh.
Secret of the pack?
Secret of the pack.
Okay.
Alright, amazing. Next pack.
Oh my god, no freaking no.
Light ray Greffer again. Now for the last pack. Galactic Overlord. Hope we get something nice.
I got Greg's.
Nope.
Nothing?
You want the Greg's?
At least I pulled a secret.
For the secret?
So we pulled that.
The rares.
Greffer.
2 Greffers actually.
2 Greffers. Gearfried. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching, and TeamSamuraiX1 signing out. Peace.
How do you
Turn it off. Yeah.